Namaste students, welcome to our EVS class. In this block, we have been learning lesson 1, need for a house. Why do we need a house? Lesson 2, types of houses. We learned what are the different types and why they are built in that manner, right? So today we are going to learn building materials. What are the materials which are used to build a house? On the screen we can see that someone is laying the bricks to build a wall. So we can see the bricks and cement here. They are building materials. So we know that different houses are made of different materials. Today we will describe the properties of different building materials. The word temporary means something that is not fixed. Permanent, something that is fixed.
Okay.
So here is a picture of multi-story building. With what do you think that this building is made? It is made out of bricks, cement, glass, wood, steel rods, right? Steel rods are used to support the building because so many families live in here, right? In the second picture here, we can see a tent. A tent is built by using the materials cloth, right? So this is a temporary house. It is usually built to stay 2 or 3 days in a place, then they fold it and they carry it. It is light to carry, easy to carry, right?
Step 5.
Now let us watch this video.
Houses are made of different materials. Mud keeps the house cool when it is warm outside. Wood keeps the house warm during winters and cool during summers. We use brick, cement, sand and steel rods to make multi-story houses strong. We make tents using cloth, which makes them easy to fold and carry.
Okay.
Which house among those in the pictures is the strongest and why? The multi-story house is the strongest. It is made of bricks, cement and strong steel or iron rods. Which materials are used to make houses? Why do we select different materials? We use wood, mud, cloth, brick and cement to make different types of houses. Mud keeps the mud house cool on hot days. Wood keeps the wooden house warm when it is cold outside. Bricks and cement make these houses very strong. Strong steel and iron rods are also used to make these houses. Cloth is used to make tents. It is light in weight. It can be folded and carried from one place to another. Now, let us read this. For multi-storied houses, the building materials are bricks and cement. Brick and cement make the house strong so that it can face strong winds and rain. Wooden houses, what building material is used? Wood is used. One feature of wooden houses, wood keeps house warm when it is cold outside and cool when it is hot outside. Okay. So one feature of building material wood is that it keeps the house warm when it is cold outside and cool when it is hot outside. Mud or straw houses. building material, mud or straw? Mud keeps the house cool. Tent. Tent building material is cloth. It can be carried from one place to another. Right?
Part 3.
Why cannot we make a tent using brick and cement?
Let's
We cannot make a tent using brick and cement. This is because tent is made for temporary use. A tent is usually made for staying in a place for a few days. Then it is carried to another place. Using cloth makes it possible to carry a tent wherever one goes and to set it up. Houses made of brick and cement are strong and permanent in nature. They cannot be carried from one place to another. So, all of you open your worksheet. Put today's date, 12.3 building materials. Tick the materials used for building houses. Cotton balls, brick, wood, water. Okay, so you can tick brick, wood, water. Okay, these materials are used to build houses. Cotton balls are not used, so don't take that. Second question, look at the picture and answer the questions. Okay, this is the picture. Observe carefully. Wood is used, right, for the walls and the roof. Now, which material is used to make this house? Wood, right? W-O-O-D, wood. Next, write one reason for choosing this material to make a house. Why is your house made or not made using this material? See, people choose wood to build their houses so that it is cool inside. Okay, wood keeps the house cool inside when it is hot outside, right? So when it is cool outside, then wood keeps the house warm, right? So now, why don't we make multi-story houses using mud and straw? Okay, a multi-story house supports many floors. It has many apartments in it in which many families have to live. So it should be strong enough to support all these different apartments, right? So it needs to be very, very strong. So bricks, cement, steel rods, sand are used to build it. If it is made with mud and straw, okay, whenever there is strong wind or heavy rains, it will collapse, right?
Okay.
So now open your content book. Practice questions. Circle the materials used to make houses. Mud, straw, brick, plastic, cement, paper. So the materials that are used to make houses are mud, circle mud, straw, brick, plastic is not used. So cement you can circle. Okay, circle mud, straw, brick, cement. Right? Second question, Rini lives in a mud house. Write one benefit of this house. Okay, if Rini lives in a house that is made out of mud, when it is hot outside, Rini will feel cool inside the mud house. Right? Third question, write any two building materials that your house is built from. Our house is built with bricks and cement and sand, right? So that's all for now. We have discussed the worksheet as well as the practice questions in the content book. We watched the video and now you should read the lesson from the content book twice and underline new words. That's all for now. Thank you. Have a good day, Nana. Bye.